लाइक व्हेन आई जॉइन इंजीनियरिंग तब यही मिसकंसेप्शन था लोगों के दिमाग में कि बायोटेक को इतना स्कोप नहीं है, या फिर
Hi everyone, please welcome Smithan. He is going to give his insight on MTech Biotech Engineering of IIT Guwahati.
Yeah.
Can,
So,
can
hello
you just
everyone.
introduce yourself?
Yeah. My name is Mithun Bhosle and I'm pursuing MTech in Bioscience and Bioengineering, and I got into IIT Guwahati through GATE Biotechnology. So biotech is actually a very cool branch, and especially मतलब पहले बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं था इसके बारे में. Like people used to think that biotech engineering कैसे हो सकता है, like how it can be part of engineering, like it has a lot of biology and all stuff in it, but because of the recent pandemic जो अभी चल रहा है उसमें biotech को काफ़ी ज़्यादा like importance gain हुआ है, and लोगों को पता चला है the importance of biotechnology, the different vaccines which are made, different medicines, उसका production. So biotech is really very interesting field. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी interest है biology related चीज़ों में, so you can surely opt for biotech, and it's one of the fastest growing field in other countries as well as in India.
Alright. Talking about life of biotech student over here, can you just give us some light on it?
Okay, so life of biotech students is similar to that of other students. मतलब कुछ ऐसा अलग ऐसा नहीं होता है. जो बाकी students 4 साल में करते हैं वही हम लोग करते हैं. थोड़े courses अलग होते हैं, type of experiments and other things, syllabus and all. Otherwise the life of a student is like हर एक IIT student जैसा life होता है वैसे ही होता है. There's nothing different, nothing special. It's like same.
So can you just at least tell us, because these viewers are watching,
Okay.
so they don't know about the life
yeah.
of IIT.
Okay.
So just
So as if I speak, like I'm myself an MTech student. So एक MTech student के अगर direction से अगर मैं बोलूँ तो it's like we start our day normally. We have a lot of like lectures, classes going on, and then at the end of the day we like either do studies or do extracurricular activities like all other students. And MTech second year it's more like kind of research oriented, like हमें lab में जाके बहुत सारे experiments करने होते हैं, like it's mainly project oriented thing. So बहुत सारे students lab में ही time spend करते हैं, they work on their different projects, and yeah, it's interesting.
Alright. Talking about what are the things, like major topics you study in biotech, what are the things you learn?
Yeah. So biotechnology is a very vast field actually. Like we study, like in biotechnology we use other like subjects as well. Like we need to study maths as well. We need to use chemistry, biology तो है ही, some mathematical principles. So it's like it involves all the subjects at different levels, and the subjects are mainly like from like core biology related subjects to more like application based subjects are there. So we study genetics, we study about plants, animal biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, bioprocess engineering, जैसे जो भी food products होते हैं on large scale जो produce होते हैं industries में. So yeah, it's like a very vast field. Like एक छोटे से cell से लेकर एक बहुत बड़े scale पे जो चीज़ें बनती हैं सब कुछ हम लोग पढ़ते हैं biotechnology.
Already, that's a lot. Talking about myths versus reality, is there something which you think that there is some myth about this branch or department?
Yeah. So one major conception which students have about biotechnology is like किसी को अगर like बाकी के branches नहीं मिले तो लोग biotech ले लेते हैं. It's like people ऐसे सोचते हैं कि जिनको कुछ option मिलता नहीं है but IIT में आना है तो biotech ले लेते हैं. But it might be there in some cases, but ऐसा नहीं है. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं, like I personally know even BTech students के साथ काफ़ी मेरा अच्छा कॉन्टैक्ट है. तो उनमें ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिन्होंने like ठीक है उनको like बायोटेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में इतना पता नहीं था, but still they opted for it, and then they eventually developed a great interest, और अभी वो खुद काफ़ी उनको अच्छा लग रहा है, they are enjoying this. So थोड़ा सा अगर आप में इंटरेस्ट हो तो, and like you should not look down upon any branch, कि ऐसा नहीं है कि like this branch is higher, that branch. हर एक branch का एक importance होता है. In the world which we live, every profession, every branch plays important role. So biotech का भी काफ़ी important role है. अगर आपको interest है, you can be very successful in biotech as well.
Okay. Talking about toughness, like how tough is to cope up with the study you are doing over here?
Yeah.
Is it easy? Is it like very chill? How is it like?
So studies, like what I have seen, like professors are helpful, friends are helpful. Like if you study on regular basis, it's not that tough actually. Like IIT में आने से पहले ऐसा लगता है, like when we prepare for competitive exams, तब ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये तो बहुत difficult होगा अंदर जाने के बाद. But trust me, it's like vice versa. Like जितना आप hard work करते हो for preparation या जितना आपको लगता है difficult, after getting into IIT things are actually easy. And you can easily, if you are a regular student, if you study थोड़ा बहुत, तो आराम से you can sail.
Alright. Talking about credits, electives, like in CGPA, how are the marks distribution and
So it's like similar to other branches only, and we have lot of options. Electives generally BTech students को third year final में electives मिलते हैं. Even some students खुद से आके lab में कुछ experimental projects भी करते हैं if they are interested to do so. And in IIT Guwahati, yeah, I mean it's easy to maintain a good CGPA in biotechnology, especially if you are like a regular student. If you study properly, it's not that difficult.
all right. Talking about theoretical versus practical knowledge.
Yeah. So yeah, this is a good question actually. So biotechnology is like to be frank, like मतलब देखने में ऐसा लगता है कि काफ़ी ऐसा थियोरेटिकल है. आप लाइक नो सेल्स के बारे में पढ़ रहे हो, लाइक नो कोर बायोलॉजी, बट उतने ही लेवल पे हम उसको अप्लाई भी करते हैं. लाइक बायोटेक्नोलॉजी इज हाईली रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड फील्ड. लाइक जितने भी रिसर्च हो रहे हैं, वेदर इन कैंसर, whether like in different like fields, bacteria, viruses and all these organisms, so it's very actually practical because we are dealing with living things most of the time. So practical जितना आप theory में पढ़ते हो उसी level पे आप practical में भी apply कर सकते हो. So yeah, there is a good balance between theory and practical.
Okay, coming to industrial projects and training, what's your thought on that? Like
Yeah, so the thing is biotechnology students generally they opt for like variety of options. Like some students also like to go for like non-core jobs or companies, and also it's like some students go for like research based projects or internship either in like some research organization. So options तो बहुत सारे available है. And yeah, as I said, biotech has a very good scope in other countries. So I personally know IIT Guwahati में से बहुत सारे students for internship they have gone to different countries through various programs because biotechnology has really good scope in other countries. So yeah, it's like various options are available.
okay, and the next question is, what were your thoughts about this branch and what it turned out to be? Was it something different or like
Yeah, so I'll tell a special thing. Like basically I did my BTech in chemical engineering. So I was never from biotechnology background, but I always had interest in biology. But then somehow like when I joined engineering, तब यही misconception था लोगों के दिमाग में कि बायोटेक को इतना स्कोप नहीं है, या फिर it's like better to go for some other branch. तो इसलिए मुझे like because I couldn't go opt for that branch because of family pressure or whatever. But later मुझे ऐसा लगा कि नहीं, मेरा interest है इस field में and I should go for it. So even though I did my BTech in chemical engineering, I gave my GATE which is required for MTech in biotechnology and I got over here. And जैसे मैंने सोचा था, it turned out to be like that. I got to study core biology, I got to do a lot of experiments, and because मुझे खुद interest था काफ़ी, I enjoyed it.
That's so great. Talking about very highly demandable topic, which is jobs.
Yeah.
Like how the job scenario, what kind of job you get, what field you get into. Like so yeah.
So see, if you see, to be frank, comparatively अगर आप देखते हो like बाकी जो like other branches which are there, like mainly the circuitous branches which are there, so obviously like because the demand and the amount of biotech companies are not that high जितना बाकी होते हैं, so थोड़ा सा obviously you will find less number of jobs compared to others. But yeah, अगर आपको if you are interested to go for it, आपके लिए ज़रूर available होता है. And to be frank, biotech is more as I said research oriented field. तो अगर आपको research में थोड़ा सा भी interest है, तो आपको उस direction में काफ़ी सारे opportunities मिलेंगे. You can easily move out of India and like apply over there, go for either into research, or you can also get into academics. Academics is a very good option for biotechnology. So yeah, these are the few options available.
Already answered a lot of questions. Talking about, is there any particular company you can name who come to hire like biotech students?
So see, again, the thing is, in India the biotech sector is growing still. So if you expect core biotechnology companies, so as such core biotechnology companies generally avoid visiting any colleges, because they generally require higher studies. Either they need masters or a PhD. This thing. So mostly regarding jobs, we have some companies which are involved. For example, like this year we had a core company called Indigene, which involves scientific writing and like research oriented thing. And you have option of edtech companies, like if you're interested in academics or teaching, we have that as option. And you can also apply for other non-core companies. And yeah, so if you talk about companies particularly visiting, so generally in general in India, companies avoid visiting like campuses, but you can obviously apply off campus, or like, no, if you are interested with little bit more of research.
All right. Adding to it, what are the opportunity for higher studies, like foreign or something like that?
Yeah. Higher study opportunities are, I will say, there's a lot of scope for higher studies in biotechnology. And through higher studies, you can get good scholarship as well. Because as I said, biotech has a lot of scope outside India, and within India also it's growing. So yeah, you have a lot of, like, most of the people whom I know, my seniors or like other friends, they have gone for higher studies in various universities all over the world. So scope for higher education is really very good.
All right. Thank you, Smithan. That's my all questions. Thank you for giving your time.